Welcome to Cloud Studio videos, short DevOps, cloud and AWS tutorials. Hello to all and welcome to my new video. So in this video I want to show you how we can use AWS CLI to configure our AWS account and to work in AWS. So, of course, I will just explain a little bit. So we have two ways to uh, to work in AWS. So we can use graphical user interface, so the AWS console, and uh, we can we can work in the console, or we can use the AWS CLI. AWS CLI to do the same tasks. So I will now show you how we can use AWS CLI to create users, to create groups, to add users into the groups, to add access policies to the groups. And also after all of that, we will remove the user from the group and delete the user and delete the group, remove the access policy, and yeah. So let's start. So first, I will show you how we can create user in identity and access management using the AWS CLI. So the command is AWS IAM create user. So using this command we are creating a test user. All right. So we created successfully the test user in AWS account. So I will now go to the graphical user interface to the console as an admin user, and I will refresh the user list to see if I can see the test user. Yes, so the test user is successfully created. So now I will create a group in AWS. So I will use the previous command, but I will say that I want to create a group. And here should be group name, and the name of the group will be developers. Press enter. Okay, so we successfully created the group. So I will go again to console, and I want to see if I can see the group. So I will refresh. And yeah, I can see the group. All right, so we successfully created user and the group. And okay, so now I want to attach the access policy to the new group which I created. So the command for that is AWS IAM attach group, attach group policy, group name is developers, and the policy which we want to attach is the administrator access. I need to increase a little bit this window. hope that I didn't make any mistakes. Let's see. All right, we did it. So we assigned the administrator access policy to the developers group. So if I go now to developers, and yeah, so we should have the policy in the permissions. Yeah, in the permissions we have assign administrator access policy to the developers group, and now I will add the user into the group. So as you can see now, the user, when we go to the user, user doesn't have any policy, any access rights to the AWS. But now we will give him the administrator access by adding him into the developers group. So we will write the command again. Add user to group. Username is test user. And the group name where we want to add the user is developers. All right, nice. So let's refresh now again the users, and let's see. And yeah, so now the user has administrator access, which he received by the membership in the group developers. So we added the user into the group, and now he has the administrator access. All right, so everything works. Very nice. So now I want to remove the user from the group. I want to remove the user from the group because we don't want to give him the administrator access anymore. So now the command is wait. So I will clear the screen so I can work easily. All right. So let's remove the user. So I will write complete command remove user from group. Username test user. Group name developers. Nice. So if I refresh now, yep, user doesn't have access anymore. So because we remove him from the group, so now I want to delete the user. So I will use the command AWS IAM delete user name test user. So we are deleting the user. All right, let's see if the user is still existing. refresh, no, user deleted, that also work. So now I want to remove the group. But first, before I remove the group, I need to remove the access that I gave to the group. Actually, I need to detach the access policy from the group. So AWS IAM detach group policy, group name developers, policy arn AWS IAM quotes, yes, policy administrator access. Hopefully I do it right. I did it right. Yep. All right. First we detach the access policy from the group, and now we can delete the group. Now we can go here and we can say delete group. Sorry for this. Delete group, and the group name is developers. Okay. So now let's see what we have in our AWS console. So let's list the users. Nope, we delete the test user. Let's check the groups. Nope, we deleted the developers group. Okay, that's all for this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DevOps tutorials. See you in the next video.